It's summertime. And what does that mean? It's family reunion time. So for that family that's been planning all this time, we have one component left to worry about, and that's food. But don't worry, at Arcs Catering, we got you covered. 3 specific areas. One for that pre-reception when family members are coming into town, gathering at the hotel. We want to make sure that they're taken care of with a nice, healthy evening snack. 2, what about that cookout that you're going to have on Saturday? You may have on-site fried fish or macaroni and cheese, greens, whatever you want, barbecue. We also can customize for the family members that may be vegan or gluten-free. Don't worry, of course at Arcs Catering we got you covered. But 3rd, we have that family dinner for the final night to celebrate your family and your loved ones. So we know that a lot has gone into the planning and you don't have to worry about stress over the food. So why not give us a call and let us take care of the work so you can enjoy the time with your loved ones and your family members. Check us out at arcscatering-dc.com.